This question belongs to aptitude subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 2. So the question states, the old city of Königsberg, which had a German majority population before World War II, is now called Kaliningrad. After the events of the war, Kaliningrad is now Russian territory and has a predominantly Russian population. It is bordered by the Baltic Sea to the north and the countries of Poland to the south and west and Lithuania to the east respectively. Which of the following statements below can be inferred from the passage? Let us see the statements one by one. The statement A says, Kaliningrad was historically Russian in its ethnic makeup. Okay, see here, the statement the old city of Königsberg, which had a German majority population before World War II, is now renamed as Kaliningrad. This clearly showed that Kaliningrad was historically German and not Russian. So option A is false. And let us see option C now. Königsberg was renamed Kaliningrad as that was its original Russian name. We cannot presume anything. Nowhere it is mentioned why was the past name changed and what is the significance of the new name and its origin. So this is also false. Let us see option D. Option D states Poland and Lithuania are on the route from Kaliningrad to the rest of the Russia. No information is given about the path which is between Russia and Kaliningrad. So this is also false. Now let us see option B. Option B says Kaliningrad is a part of Russia despite it not being contiguous with the rest of the Russia. Okay, this statement is true as it is clearly mentioned that Kaliningrad is surrounded by different countries like Lithuania and Poland. See here, and thus it is apart from the rest of Russia. Here it is given. It is bordered by Baltic Sea on the north, the countries of Poland to the south and west and Lithuania to the east. Thus, it is not being continuous with the rest of the Russia. So correct answer is option B.